Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Basic concept of trigonometry. Here we will discuss the connections between the sides and angles of triangles are the subject of the mathematical discipline of trigonometry. It is used to resolve issues in many different disciplines including geometry, physics, engineering and many more. 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent are the functions of trigonometry. This is a right angle triangle. This side is hypotenuse, this side is base, this side is perpendicular. Perpendicular over hypotenuse is equal to A over B is equal to sine theta. Base over hypotenuse is equal to C over B is cosine or cos theta. Perpendicular over base is equal to tan theta. These are the 3 geometric functions. The inverse of these ratios are hypotenuse over perpendicular mean B over A is equal to cosecant theta. Hypotenuse over base is equal to secant theta. Base over perpendicular is equal to cotangent. These are the 6 functions of trigonometry. Trigonometry is used in many real world applications such as calculating the height of a building, the distance between 2 points and the trajectory of a projectile. For example, if we know the height of a building and the angle of elevation from a point on the ground, we can use trigonometry to calculate the distance from the building to the point on the ground. This is the example of trigonometry. In the given triangle ABC, measurement angle A is equal to theta. Measurement of the sides A, B and C are given. In the figure, find the value of trigonometry ratios. Okay. Sine theta A over B mean A perpendicular, base is C and hypotenuse is B. Value of hypotenuse 5, value of perpendicular 3, value of base is 4. Sine theta is equal to A over B mean 3 over 5. Cos theta is equal to C over B mean 4 over 5. Tan theta is equal to A over C mean 3 over 4. Cosecant theta B over A 5 over 3. You can observe the values. Secant theta is equal to B over C is equal to 5 over 4. Cotangent theta C over A is equal to 4 over 3. These are the 6 functions of the trigonometry. Using the value of trigonometric ratios of the above example, verify that sine theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. We will put the value of sine theta and cosecant theta. Second example is tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Second one is tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Third example is cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. We will put the values. Sin theta, cos theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1. Left hand side. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. We will put this value of sin theta and cosecant theta. 3 over 5 into 5 over 3. 5, 5. We will cancel 5 and 5, 3 and 3. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Second example is tan theta into cotangent theta. 3 over 4 is the value of tan theta. 4 over 3 is the value of cotangent theta. 4 into 4, we will cancel the 4 over 4 and 3 into 3. We get 1. Left hand side of example 3. Cos theta into secant theta. Value of cos theta 4 over 5 into 5 over 4. We will cancel the 5 and 5 and 4 in 4. We get the 1. These examples are proof, mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. These are the values of, you can say that, acute angles. Sin theta 30 degree 1 over 2. Sin theta 45 degree 1 over under 2. Sin theta 60 degree under 3 over 2. Cos theta 30 degree under 3 over 2. Cos theta 45 degree 1 over under 2. Cos theta 60 degree is equal to 1 over 2. Tan 30 degree 1 over under 3. Tan 45 degree 1, tan 60 degree is equal to under 3. These are the values of sine, cos and tan on the angles 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree.